Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Phoenix Blue Morning Update on this, the final trading day of the month. We've had a fantastic trading month here at Phoenix Blue. Word in the office is this will be the most successful month we've had for nearly 3 years. We hope you shared in that. Fantastic start to the year. Long may it continue. Okay, we'll have a look at the markets in a moment, but we'll start with an overnight announcement from the Bank of Japan. They have announced negative interest rates minus 0.01% for financial institutions and banks leaving deposits with them. They have also said they're willing to make further cuts into negative territory if judged necessary. So quite a big move there from the Bank of Japan, not wholly unexpected if you will listen to what we were saying yesterday. So we expect the markets to have reacted to that. There may have been some disappointment in the fact that the asset purchase or quantitative easing, the ongoing level of that hasn't been increased. Many in the markets might have been looking for that. Okay, before we go to those markets, quick word on the news events for today. Just two significant ones today. 1:30 this afternoon, we have the gross domestic product for Canada and the advanced gross domestic product from the US. Okay, so right, let's have a look at those markets straight away. We'll start in China, the Shanghai Composite, a bullish day, potentially end of month profit taking for those in that market still able to short sell. Look at the US dollar yuan exchange rate, nothing happening there. Over to the big one in respect to the news overnight, the Nikkei in Japan. Equities here, strong day, not surprising on the back of the introduction of negative interest rates. So a nice bullish day for them there, now closing well above the key area we've been looking at, which is the 2015 lows. If we go over to the FX markets, US dollar JPY, the yen shot up to this key level here overnight. If we were potentially looking at that area for a trade, but in the light of the news, we wouldn't have an order in place there overnight. If you did, you would have got stopped out, big spike up, but the level still remains valid, and price is hovering there at this moment in time. On the dollar index yesterday, we saw an unexpected move down to the bottom of the channel. We had anticipated a retest of the triangle formation. We've come down to the bottom of the channel here and bounced away so far this morning off that. That area potentially driven by some really negative figures that came in early afternoon yesterday for core durable goods from the States. The expectation being massively higher than what was actually came in. Okay, over to gold. We're still bullish this market. We're looking to get back in an add-on trade, having taken profits at this level. We've had a brief look down, hasn't actually triggered our trade, but nothing changed there. Still looking for ways to add into that market into an ongoing risk-off scenario. The Swissy, US dollar CHF. We had quite a bullish move through yesterday in the end towards the top of what may be a channel here. Our point of interest or our trading opportunity, our next trading opportunity will potentially be down here at this level of support through here in confluence with the trend line here, where again we're in this trade. We'll be looking to add back into our second target up at these previous highs here, having already taken profits and stops at break even. Canadian dollar, we've been talking about this all week. We were looking to trade this 1.4 zone here. We had an order in place, unfortunately. The order triggered, but was just marginally stopped out by this spike down here. In hindsight, the market hasn't moved away. It's continued in a bearish stance. so far this morning. Our next trading opportunity is down here at this level around 1.38 in confluence with this trend line, and we have orders placed there looking for our initial targets to these highs and our longer term target around 1.5. Okay, one other market to show you today that we haven't shown you previously. We not only look at the FX and equities markets, we also trade commodities. This is sugar. Using our analysis of the commitment to traders report, we had a big, strong short signal up here. We've been in this market for a number of weeks. It's been slow going, but over the last 2 days we've had 2 significant bearish moves down. We'll be looking for potential pullbacks into this resistance zone here based on these highs through here. So if you're not in this trade but it's something that might interest you, chance to get back in, we'll be adding back in there, and we will continue to show you commodities markets that are of interest on an ongoing basis. We won't see that nearly as often as our focus on FX. Okay then, that brings us to an end there. As I said, it's been a great trading month. I hope you've shared in that. If you want to learn more about what we do here at Phoenix Blue with our fundamental analysis, technical analysis and commitment of traders report, contact us at info@phoenixblue.co.uk. If you have any questions about these videos or anything else in general, please again just email us at info@phoenixblue.co.uk and we'll respond as soon as we can. Okay guys, have a great weekend and we will be looking forward to speaking to you again on Monday. Goodbye.